Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Do your countertops look like this? There's never enough space or power outlets. Introducing Socket Shelf, the incredible new wall outlet expander that adds a shelf to any outlet for clutter-free counters. No installation required, just plug it in to power it up. Stop wrestling with those tangled, messy wires. Socket Shelf's built-in storage shelf keeps all your electronics safe, organized, and fully charged. And it quadruples your power with 6 outlets and 2 USB ports. Turn an ordinary outlet into the ultimate charging powerhouse. Socket Shelf locks securely in place to any outlet, guaranteeing any item on the shelf stays safe. Use in the bathroom to keep kids' countertops clean and everything at their fingertips. The handy shelf gives you extra space where you need it most. With the 180-degree outlet design, you can plug in any device at any angle. And it has a built-in surge protector, keeps electronics safe from unexpected jolts. Socket Shelf.
The AstroAI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by AstroAI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
Struggling to find a way to relax after a long, hectic day? Relieve built-up muscle tension and unwind with the InvoSpa neck and shoulder massager. It's like having your own personal masseuse in the comfort of your home. The neck and shoulder massager include 4 large and 4 small Shiatsu massaging nodes. Adjust the intensity with 3 speed strength levels, hitting the right areas with the perfect pressure. You can also use your arms and the handles to apply the exact amount of pressure you desire. The InvoSpa massager is bidirectional to mimic the motions of a real Shiatsu massage. The massager auto-reverses every minute for better distribution of pure relaxation. Turn up the heat with infrared technology to relieve those tense muscles and add further relaxation. Take the InvoSpa Shiatsu massager on the go with its durable carry bag. It comes with a wall adapter and a car plug adapter, so you can use it in your house, office, or even on the way when traveling. The InvoSpa massager is a great gift for yourself or for loved ones. Relax in comfort with the InvoSpa neck, back, and shoulder massager.